Hey, good morning. What do we got? A lens that's messed up here? I don't know. Anyway, it's Tuesday. Going to be a very busy day. First stop's going to be a extra large pool cage, 3-car driveway. Then the next job's going to be another pool cage and a smaller 2-car driveway. Then we'll wrap up the day with the third job, front porch, the very front of the house, and then just the pool deck in the backyard. Regular customers. I have a new customer this morning. The first stop's going to be new. The next two are regular customers, yearly customers. All right, let's get the day started and let's get after it. Hey. Here we are at job number 1. I did the driveway because I left my tripod at the last job I was at. It's on the way to the next one, so I'll pick it back up. Got the sidewalks all done. Driveway looks nice and clean. All the way to the front door, clean both those windows and the doorway there. This is a new customer. So, you know the drill, right? Do some extra stuff, like clean those windows and around the door. They appreciate you. And they will call you back. I guarantee it. All right, now, you see I got some bags and some tape. I got a treadmill back here. I want you to look at these screens. I'm walking up on them now. You can see how green they are. See that? Look at all that green. And it's only on the north side. Let's check the rest of the outside of the cage. Yeah, we got green in all these screens too. And green all the way across. All right, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Beamer. So this is a $200 cage. We'll get this weed off of here. It's inside and out. This way doesn't mess up the screens any more than they already are, but it's going to look brand new when we get done. So what we do is we're going to take our SH and we're going to lay it sideways. Okay? Because what happens if you do this? What happens if you just shoot it straight through? Well, that's exactly what you're doing. You're shooting it straight through. Okay? So when you lay it in there sideways, it's going to stay in the screen and it's going to dissolve all that algae off of there. And when you're done with the job, it'll look brand new. All right? We'll be back to show you just what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get all the metal first. Get it wet. Okay, now, let's take your SH and put it on there sideways. See how that's still on the screen? Perfect. Beautiful. Now, what's going to happen is all that's going to sit in there and all that green is going to turn to white. I'm going to put a little bit more on that heavy spot right there. There you have it. Now that'll sit there and dwell. Now we're going to come around the back here. We're going to get after all this. have it. And you see how this worked out? See how this door opens like this? Oh, it's not even got a thing on it, so go ahead and SH it. Oh, it's open. Alright, now we're going to come in here and nuke this place. It's been a while since somebody's cleaned this place. Alright, then you get the picture. Let's get after it. I want to bring it to the attention. You see that rip in the screen? That's there from a tree branch or something. Not from the pressure washer guy, that's for sure. Always film damage, so never any dispute. You never know, the homeowner might not have seen that and they'll think you did it. It's going to clean up nice. Look at that blue deck. It looks nice. You see how the screens are turning white wherever there was algae. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, I'm sure you can probably see. Look at that, deck's coming out nice. All we gotta do is rinse all this stuff off. And this is gonna be a beautiful looking pool cage again. Alright? Let's get after it, shall we? That's how you get a dirty pool cage done. Look at that. Get the hell off my camera, little shit. Look at that cockroach, man. Run, run. Man, what the hell? Anyway, the deck looks nice and clean. All that furniture is clean. The windows are clean. All the algae's gone. Hey, look. You can see out the screens. That's a great way to clean screens. Remember that trick? On your next, it works on any kind of screen. Doesn't have to be a pool cage. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Time for some lunch. Then another pool cage and driveway. What fun! Let's get after it. All right, now the driveway's nice and dry and clean. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Sidewalks are nice and clean. You can tell the neighbor needs his done. And that neighbor over there needs their done. Well, that's for sale over there. A lot of places going up for sale around here. But nothing's selling, I noticed. So the home sales are very down low. at this point, and probably the price is down a little bit further than it needs to be. So people are holding on, waiting for the economy to get better and the interest rates to go down. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and what are we going to do, man? We're going to get after it for the rest of the day and every day. All right, here we are, job number 2. We're doing the gutter in the road in this driveway. It's not going to take long to do it. Going to SH it on down, get all this done, rinse it off, then we're going to head in the back and do the pool cage. All right, let's get after it.
With flowers and my love, both never to come back. I mean, people turn their heads and quickly look away. Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look.
Okay, got it SH all the way to the front, did the front around the windows and all that, the door. SH all the way down this gutter here. It's very dirty, so that's where we're going to start the job, down there. Going to unplug the injector, get full 10 gallons a minute, get this baby looking nice and clean. All right, let's get after it.
Inside myself and see my heart is black. You see, I let go. I must have it painted black. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love would laugh with me before the morning comes. Oh, we see a red door and I want it painted black. No color anymore, I want them to turn black. You see the girls walk by, dressed in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I wanna see it painted black, hey, painted black. Oh, black as night, black as gold. I wanna see the sun come floating up from the sky. I wanna see it painted, 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 painted black.
All right, let's have a look. Boom, looks great. Gutter in the road looks good. All the way down to where, that's what it did look like over there. So his property line ends right here. So we went ahead and did it right to the sewer there, so it looks nice. The driveway came out good. All right, now let's go back here and get this pool cage done. Then we got another pool cage deck to do and a front porch. Then we'll call it a day. It is so hot today. I'm freaking dying out here. But you know what? Gotta get after it, right? All right, here we are. Pool cage is not that bad. Just has some green algae along the side here, over there. Very little. Starting to come. And the deck is a mess. This is a painted surface, so it'll clean right up. All right. Let's the fun begin, eh? Let's get after it. Alright, we got the whole place nuked. See all that suds all over the place? It's sticky icky. Alright, we're going to set this camera over here in the shade. We haven't made in the shade. So I got to clean all this stuff up here where the camera's sitting. So let's move on over to here. We should be able to see most of it from here. Alright, let's get after it. All right, there you have it. Look at that. Clean deck. All the corners are clean. I mean, this paint job's old, so you get stuff that's not going to come up. This stuff through here. This stuff here is not coming up. But you know what? 95% of it did, and it looks 100% better. All right. So I'm Don. You know that. From Super Blast Pressure Washing. We got one more visit today. Pool deck and little teeny porch. We're not even going to film that, so we'll see you tomorrow on Hernando Beach. We're doing a 3-story first thing in the morning tomorrow. About 7:30 we'll get that thing started before we get any wind. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Always get after it.